All right, bonus round. Because real work small talk isn't only hallway, how's it going? It's also meetings, Slack, and those awkward moments when you're waiting for the microwave.
Exactly, and if you can handle those moments, you sound fluent at work.
Let's build the next layer. Phrases to steal, but slightly more office native.
Phrase 1. How's your day looking?
This is a work-friendly way to ask, are you busy?
And it's safer than are you busy because it sounds softer.
A natural answer can be short.
Pretty packed.
Clarification. Packed means full. Your schedule is full.
Another answer.
It's looking busy but manageable.
Clarification. Manageable means you can handle it.
Another one.
I've got a couple things, but I'm okay.
Great. Now role play.
Hey, how's your day looking?
Pretty packed, honestly. How about you?
Same, but it's manageable.
That's real small talk and real work vocabulary.
And it sounds professional without being stiff.
Now teach the secret add-on.
If you want to be friendly, add this line.
Let me know if you need anything.
Clarification. That means you're offering help.
It's a great small talk ending that also builds good relationships.
Role play.
Hey, how's everything going with the project?
Pretty good. We're making progress.
Nice. Anything blocking you right now?
Clarification. Blocking you means stopping you from moving forward.
And if you want the common work word, say blocked.
I'm a little blocked right now.
Clarification. It means you can't move forward until something changes.
Now answer. Not at the moment, just busy.
Perfect. Natural, safe, professional.
Now we teach 2 ultra-common office phrases that make you sound like you belong.
Phrase 1. Quick question.
This is how people start a message or a conversation.
Example.
Quick question. Do we need this by today or tomorrow?
Great. Clarification. It makes the question feel small and polite. Phrase 2. Just a heads up.
Clarification. Heads up means warning or advance notice.
Example.
Just a heads up, the meeting got moved to 3.
That's daily work English.
Now role play. Slack message.
Quick question. Are we still on for the call at 2?
Yep, still on.
Clarification. Still on means still happening.
Now the next message. Just a heads up, I might join a few minutes late.
Great. That might softens it.
And a few minutes is natural, not 5 minutes exactly.
Now we teach touch base.
This one is everywhere in office English.
Touch base means talk briefly, check in, update.
So instead of saying, I want to talk with you, you can say,
Can we touch base later?
clarification. It means a short conversation, not a deep meeting.
Another phrase similar to that is quick sync.
Clarification. Sync means align, get on the same page.
Example.
Can we do a quick sync this afternoon?
Now role play. You want a short meeting.
Hey, can we touch base later about the report?
Yeah, for sure. How's 3?
Clarification. For sure means definitely, common.
3 works.
Great, that's natural work talk.
Now show a more formal version.
Would you have time for a quick check-in this afternoon?
Clarification. Check-in is like touch base, but a little more formal.
Perfect.
Now teach the mistake to avoid.
Don't say, can we touch the base?
That sounds like sports equipment.
Exactly. It's a set phrase, touch base.
Now we do a fun but educational segment.
The awkward office kitchen edition.
Scene. You're both waiting for the microwave,
And it's silent.
and you feel the pressure to say something.
So we give you safe lines.
Safe line 1. Smells good.
Great. Food compliment.
Safe line 2. What are you having?
That's common.
Safe line 3. Did you try that new place near here?
Great. Local food talk is safe.
Role play.
Smells good.
Thanks. I meal prepped this week.
Clarification. Meal prepped means prepared meals in advance.
I'm trying to be healthy.
Nice. What is it?
Chicken and rice. Nothing exciting.
Honestly, that's smart. I keep buying lunch and it adds up.
Clarification. Adds up means the cost increases over time.
That is real small talk plus useful vocabulary.
And you can end politely.
All right, I'll let you eat.
That's a polite exit.
Clarification. It means you don't want to bother them while they eat.
Now we teach small talk with your boss.
This is important because you need slightly more careful language.
Exactly. You can still be friendly, just a little more neutral.
Boss safe opener.
Good morning. How are you?
Boss safe answer.
Doing well, thanks. How about you?
and then a safe work-related detail.
It's been a busy morning, but we're making progress.
That sounds confident.
Now teach the phrase on track.
On track means going according to plan.
Example.
We're on track for Friday.
Clarification. It means you expect to finish by Friday.
Now role play. Elevator with your boss.
Good morning. How are you?
Doing well, thanks. How about you?
Doing well. How's the project going?
It's going well. We're on track for Friday.
Perfect. Simple, confident, professional.
Now teach one more boss-safe phrase.
Thanks for checking in.
Clarification. It's polite. It shows appreciation.
Great.
Now we teach small talk with coworkers you're friendly with.
That's where casual phrases come in.
Casual opener.
What's up?
Casual answer.
Not much, just trying to get through the day.
Clarification. That means you're working and a little tired.
Another common casual phrase.
Living the dream.
Clarification. It's usually sarcastic. It means you're tired or not excited.
Use it with coworkers who understand your humor.
Role play.
What's up?
Living the dream.
Same. I'm running on coffee and vibes.
Clarification. That's a joke, meaning coffee is the only reason you can function.
That kind of humor makes you sound natural.
And it builds connection.
But keep it safe. Work is not stand-up comedy.
Now we teach a super important skill, asking about someone's work without sounding like you're checking on them.
Right. You want to sound interested, not like a manager.
Phrase to steal.
How's it going with that thing you were working on?
That sounds casual and friendly.
Another version.
Any updates on that?
Clarification. Any updates means any new information.
Another version, slightly more formal.
Where are we at with that?
Clarification. It means the status of progress.
Role play.
Hey, any updates on that report?
Yeah, I'm almost done. I just need to review it.
Clarification. Review means check carefully.
I'll send it over in about an hour.
Great. Send it over is very natural work English.
Now teach wrap up.
Wrap up means finish.
Clarification. It means finishing tasks.
Role play.
How's it going?
Pretty good, just wrapping up a few things.
Great. Sounds natural and adult.
Sounds like someone who has their life together.
Which is rare.
Now we teach conversation filler that makes you sound fluent.
This is important because learners often sound too direct.
Conversation filler examples.
Honestly.
To be fair,
I mean,
yeah, so,
clarification. These help your speech flow naturally.
but don't overuse them. Use them naturally.
Role play.
How was the meeting?
Honestly, it was longer than it needed to be.
To be fair, we had a lot to cover.
Clarification. To be fair means you're being balanced and reasonable.
That's a great work phrase.
Another one.
That makes sense.
Clarification. It means you understand and agree.
It's one of the best professional small talk responses.
Now we're going to do the polite disagreement version.
Because at work, you can't just say, no, you're wrong.
Phrase to steal.
I see what you mean, but
Clarification. That means you understand, then you offer a different view.
another version.
That's a good point. Another option could be
Very professional.
role play. Two coworkers small talking about a plan.
I think we should move the meeting to Friday.
I see what you mean, but Friday might be tough. Could we do Thursday?
That's perfect.
And it's not only small talk, it's real work conversation.
Exactly. Your channel is educational, so we're teaching useful, real-world English.
Now we teach the word deadline.
Everyone hears deadline at work.
Phrase to steal.
What's the deadline?
Clarification. Deadline is the date and time something must be finished.
Another phrase.
Is this due today? Clarification. Due means required by a date.
Role play.
Quick question. What's the deadline for this?
End of day tomorrow.
Clarification. End of day means by the end of the workday.
But if you can get it to me today, that would be great.
That's natural work English.
And if you can't, you can respond politely.
I can do my best, but I might need until tomorrow.
Great. Do my best is polite and realistic.
And might need softens it.
Now we teach checking understanding.
This is very important for non-native speakers at work.
Phrase to steal.
Just to confirm.
That's a lifesaver.
Example. Just to confirm, you want me to send it by 3?
Perfect.
Another phrase.
So you mean we're meeting on Thursday, not Friday?
Great.
Clarification. These phrases help you avoid mistakes and sound professional.
And they sound very normal in offices.
Role play.
Just to confirm, the meeting's at 2, right?
Yep, 2.
Perfect, thanks.
Clean, simple, professional.
Now we do small talk when you're new.
This is huge. Starting a new job is stressful, and small talk helps you fit in.
Phrase to steal.
I'm still getting settled.
Clarification. It means you're still adjusting.
Another phrase.
I'm still learning the ropes.
Clarification. Learning the ropes is an idiom. It means learning how things work.
Not real ropes.
Unless your office is a pirate ship.
Focus. Gem. Role play. New employee small talk.
How's it going so far?
Pretty good. I'm still getting settled.
Yeah, it takes time.
For sure. I'm still learning the ropes.
You'll get it. Everyone feels that way at first.
That's supportive and very normal.
And you just learned 2 useful phrases.
Education is working. Now we teach small talk in Slack.
Because a lot of work small talk is written now.
Slack small talk is short and friendly.
Phrase for Slack.
Hope your day's going well.
Another.
Happy Monday.
Another.
Quick question.
Now a common Slack thing. FYI.
Clarification. FYI means for your information. It's like, just letting you know.
Example.
FYI, the meeting link changed.
Great. Now teach the slang ping.
At work, I'll ping you means I'll message you.
It's common.
Role play.
Hey, hope your day's going well. Quick question. Are we still meeting at 2?
Yep, still on.
Great. FYI, I might be a couple minutes late. I'll ping you when I'm joining.
That's very realistic.
And educational.
Now we do the conference room small talk.
Jim, the moment before a meeting starts and everyone pretends to be relaxed.
Safe openers.
How's your week been?
Busy week?
How's your day going?
Did you do anything fun over the weekend?
Then you answer with one detail and ask back.
Ladder method.
Role play.
Busy week?
Yeah, pretty busy. Lots of deadlines. How about you?
Same. I feel like I've been in meetings nonstop.
I know, it's been one of those weeks.
Seriously, I'm just trying to stay on top of things.
Stay on top of things means remain organized and in control.
Great phrase.
Another similar phrase is keep up.
Keep up means not fall behind.
Example.
I'm trying to keep up.
Useful. Now we teach small talk about lunch.
This is the easiest small talk topic because everyone eats.
Phrase to steal.
Any lunch plans?
Another.
What are you thinking for lunch?
Another.
Have you tried that place nearby?
Role play.
Any lunch plans?
Not yet. I might grab something quick.
Grab something quick means get food quickly.
What about you?
I brought lunch today, trying to save money.
Smart. Eating out adds up.
Exactly. That's perfect lunch small talk.
And if you want a friendly invite?
Want to join? It means come with me.
If you want it more neutral.
If you want to come, you're welcome to.
Great.
Now we teach small talk about working from home.
Very modern, very useful.
Phrase to steal.
How's working from home treating you?
Clarification. Treating you means how it's going for you.
Example answer.
It's been good, but I miss the routine.
Clarification. Routine means regular schedule.
Another answer. Honestly, I love the flexibility. Flexibility means you can adjust your time.
Role play.
How's working from home treating you?
Honestly, I love the flexibility, but I miss seeing people.
Same. I feel like I'm on video calls all day.
For real, my camera has seen too much.
Safe office humor.
Now we teach how to say you're busy but not rude.
Because sometimes small talk happens when you're stressed.
Phrase to steal.
I'd love to chat, but I'm on a tight deadline.
Tight deadline means not much time.
Another version.
I'm in the middle of something, but let's catch up later.
Catch up means talk and update each other.
Role play.
Hey, do you have a second?
I'd love to help, but I'm on a tight deadline. Can I circle back after this?
That's perfect.
And you sound professional.
And you didn't sound rude.
Great.
Now we teach a few polite reactions that keep small talk flowing.
Because reactions matter.
Phrase to steal. No way! It means you're surprised.
Another.
That's hilarious.
Another.
That makes sense.
Another.
Good for you.
It means that's great. Congratulations.
Role play. A coworker shares something small.
I started going to the gym before work.
No way! That's impressive.
I'm trying.
Good for you. I can barely wake up.
That's friendly and human.
And you just learned reactions that sound native.
Now we do a longer story-based scene because stories make phrases stick.
And your channel wants learners to remember.
Scene.
It's Monday, you're walking in, someone asks, "How was your weekend?" And you're trying to sound normal.
Start.
"Hey, how was your weekend?"
It was good, low key.
"Nice. What'd you do?"
What'd you do is spoken for what did you do. Honestly, not much. I ran a few errands and caught up on sleep.
That sounds perfect.
Yeah, I needed it. Last week was hectic.
Same. I feel like I'm still recovering.
Recovering means returning to normal after being tired or stressed.
For real, this week looks packed.
It does. I'm just trying to stay on top of everything.
Same. All right, I should get back to it. Good talking to you.
You too.
That's a real office conversation.
And it included low-key, errands, caught up on sleep, hectic, packed. That's a full lesson inside a natural scene.
Now we give learners options: short, long, and more formal.
Because different work situations need different tones.
Situation: coworker asks, "How's it going?"
Short, casual answer.
Not bad. You?
Short, neutral answer.
Doing well, thanks. How about you?
Longer, friendly answer.
Pretty good. Busy morning, but I'm getting through it. How about you?
Clarification. Getting through it means managing and surviving the busy time.
Great phrase.
Now, situation. Coworker asks, "How was your weekend?"
Short answer.
Good, relaxing.
Medium answer.
Good, low-key, just rested.
Longer answer.
It was good. I needed a reset, so I kept it pretty chill.
Clarification. Reset means refresh mentally, recover.
Clarification. Chill means relaxed, casual.
Good.
Now, common mistakes, part 2, because learners repeat certain errors at work.
And fixing them makes your English sound instantly better.
Mistake 1, saying, "I'm very agree."
Fix: I totally agree, or I completely agree.
Mistake 2, saying, "I'm confusing."
Fix: I'm confused.
Clarification. Confused is how you feel. Confusing describes something else.
Mistake 3, saying, "I will back to you."
Fix. I'll get back to you.
Mistake 4, saying, "I'm in meeting."
Fix. I'm in a meeting.
Mistake 5, saying, "Let's discuss about it."
Fix. Let's discuss it. Know about.
Great. Small fixes, big improvement.
That's exactly what a good educational channel should do.
Final practice challenge for this section.
3 short work conversations you can copy today.
Conversation 1. Hallway opener.
Hey, how's it going?
Not bad, just busy. How about you?
Same. It's been one of those mornings.
Seriously. All right, I should get back to it.
Conversation 2. Asking for time.
Do you have a minute?
I'm pretty swamped right now. Can I get back to you in a bit?
Sure.
Thanks. I'll follow up after lunch.
Conversation 3. Weekend small talk.
How was your weekend?
Good, low-key. I caught up on sleep. How about yours?
Busy, but good. I ran errands all day.
Yeah, adult life.
That's it. That's daily, realistic, and teachable.
If you can say those without thinking, your English level jumps.
And that's the whole point.
Want more episodes like this?
Subscribe and practice in the comments.
Write your 3-line script using "not bad, just busy, it's been one of those mornings," and "all right, I should get back to it."
See you in the next one.